Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your Omni Travel Card to your Apple Wallet in 2026. So as of 2026, most of the people still can't directly add a physical Omni card to the Apple Wallet. So the full virtual Omni card rollout started around late 2025, but the availability is still limited or gradual. So first of all, you need to basically go to the Apple Wallet option. So when you are inside the Apple Wallet, simply tap on this plus icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you will see the option of add to debit or credit card. Simply select that option and simply select the option of set as default. Then just tap your iPhone on the Omni readers at subway or bus. Omni fully supports Apple Pay for tap to ride, and no extra setup is needed for that. Now this particular step is going to make the travel faster. For that, simply go to the settings of your iPhone, then look for the option of wallet and Apple Pay. Inside it, simply look for the option of Express Travel Card, and you need to simply select the card. And now you can tap your phone without Face ID or passcode every single time. Now, if your region or your account supports it, you may see the option of add to Apple Wallet. It is going to look something like this. If you see the option, simply tap on it. Then on the next page, you will be shown a preview. On the top right hand corner, you just have to look for the add option. Then tap on the add option and confirm it. Now this feature is still rolling out, so not everyone is going to have it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.